pangalan ng bayan ng Bula ay hango sa Bicol Rinconada dialect na tumutukoy sa kawayan. The town of Bula is historically considered one of the first 4 mission towns of Camarines Sur, founded by the Spanish conquistadors when they set foot on the Bicol soil coming from the Visayas in 1576. The Spaniards first came to this place as the men who were splitting bamboo about the name of the area, and since they did not understand the language, they thought they were being asked about the name of the bamboo. So they got the answer Bula, and so Bula became the name of the town. Isa ang Bula sa unang 4 na munisipyong tinatag noong April 3, 1574 ng Spanish government sa Bicol Peninsula. A dialect that most of the people in Bula use is Bicol Rinconada. The municipality has a land area of 167.64 square kilometers or 64.73 square miles, which constitutes 3.04% of Camarines Sur's total area. The municipal center of Bula is situated at approximately 13 degrees north. Elevation at these coordinates is estimated at 11.8 meters or 38.7 feet above mean sea level. An Alatco Bus, the first bus company which serves the riding public of the region and of the town. Parish Church of Bula are processioning the saints including their patron saint, Saint Mary Magdalene, before the day of Fiesta to show their devotion to their patroness, and they also offer prayers. The whole town of Bula celebrates its feast day every 22nd of July, which denotes the same town fiesta celebration just 3 months after its founding anniversary, in honor of the patroness saint, Saint Mary Magdalene. The Bulawenyo has a practice of saying "Tabi Apo di makaigo" when passing by a river and a huge tree. People in Bula believe in the presence of lost souls. People in Bula also believe in San Telmo, a floating fire, a part of a memory of someone who cannot let go of their possession, especially their land. They also believe in curses. The following are the folktales of Bula. These folktales are passed through generations and live until the present time. The Kawayan Festival is a known festival in Bula. Unlike other pinangat, the pinangat of Bula, it had stuffed with either crablet meat or freshwater shrimp. These handicrafts was made of pandan leaves, abaca, and nanao, which the area is abundant with. This furniture is made of bamboo that can be found at Manasi. This is where the Bicolanos buy furniture for their house because of the good quality. Mary Magdalene Parish Church, also known as Bula Church, is a Roman Catholic church located in Bula, Camarines Sur, Philippines. The church was destroyed by fire in 1676 and a typhoon 1700. The present structure was completed in 1706 and repaired in 1876 and 1885. Tanawan Park is a pilgrim site with a 35-feet statue of Jesus Christ which resembles the Christ Redeemer in Brazil, and Our Lady of Holy Rosary, Queen of the Family, which also resembles the giant Mary statue of Our Lady of Peace grotto in Aramoan. This is a solemn place for prayer and the perfect place to enjoy a panoramic view of Camarines Sur and Albay. Lalata Falls is one of the majestic falls in the province that is approximately 60 feet tall with caves on both sides. Tangan Beach can be found at the southern part of Bula. You can enjoy the beautiful view from the beach and the beautiful rock formation